A super quick and fast update for you guys about the Leap V2 headrest. Feast your eyes on this new specimen. But before we start, I want to give you guys a very big thank you from the bottom of our hearts here at OfficeLogix, and a thank you for being so patient with us, not only your patronage, but also being patient throughout the whole process. We are at the final tail end of this process for the pre-orders. We are now officially shipping out our products from our factory overseas, and they will be landing in Ohio approximately, according to FedEx, either July 8th or July 9th. Approximately 1 to 2 days before that, you will start to see a notification for shipping labels for your headrest. And when that happens, you're going to expect to see within the 1 to 2 days after that a movement on the tracking labels, and then it's only a matter of time. The closer you are to Ohio, the faster it's going to arrive. We appreciate you guys supporting our small and very quickly growing business. It's only because of you guys that we are achieving what we're doing, and this is a result of so many people asking us to make this. Actually, countless times over the years, people have been asking, hey, when is there going to be a Leap V2 headrest? And so we just said, okay, finally, you know what, we have to succumb to all the demands of our great customer base, and we're going to make this for you guys. So again, the whole concept of our business is democratizing ergonomics. As we know, it's a very expensive world. It's not free, and it's not cheap, even with the savings that you get from a company like ours, but we like to get people just a little bit closer. And here we are with something like this. You no longer have to purchase a Steelcase Leap V2 with a headrest that's built in, and you can purchase a Leap V2 either new or refurbished and add your headrest later on. That makes it extremely more accessible for people that want to have a combination of a Leap V2 and a headrest together. We are going to be releasing a installation and a adjustment guide video very quickly within the next week or so. So please stay tuned, and thanks again.